Okay, in our slides, we had an example of moving the index to the denominator, 5 down over there to the 15. We simplified 15 over 5 to equal 3. All the while, we just copied our base. So we are going to do the same thing. We're just going to copy our inside. We are going to move this 4 underneath that 12. So copying that x plus 5, let's keep it together by putting it in parentheses. And we have 12 over 4. Once again, copying that x plus 5 and simplify that exponent to 12 divided by 4, which is 3. So we just converted that radical to an exponent. Let's do it again. This one seems like it might be tricky. You don't want to divide by 0. But since it's a square root, we're going to use 2. 47 to the 8 halves. That's equal to 47. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And that is how we convert radicals to exponents.